So what's up guys, a few changes coming for the Mini. I have the front lip still off the car. I'm going to do some riv nuts where the lip needs to go into, also the grille to go back in, but I have new headlights and new rings on the way for that. Also I took off the rear spoiler, and the spoiler and the front lip is sent over to my mate John at Dipworks. I'm going to get the spoiler done in the same colour it was as the bumpers, but it's getting dipped with something cool, and the front lip is getting repaired and painted to green. Also we're going to take the bumpers off and get them dipped the same as what we're doing with the spoiler, and I might actually do the mirrors, the gunmetal as well, get rid of the chrome, because as you can see they go to shit. So yeah, not much to report on the Mini. I need to get the grille back in, but there's no point in putting that in. I'm after getting really good headlights with good LED HIDs in them there going in the front, new rings in, and then I can put the grille in. Waiting on my mate to get back to me about the front lip. I think he's going to need paint colour because it is Millennium Jade. It's a 3-stage pearl, I'm nearly sure, but yeah, it's getting there. It's driving, it's fixed, everything is done, new everything in the engine bay. So nothing to report about servicing or anything. Everything is good, car's running and driving. I do need to get the wheel alignment done because I had everything off again. I just make sure everything was tight, make sure everything was good. But the spoiler is getting sprayed, the gunmetal, and we're going to dip it in, I'm not actually sure what yet. It's either going to be crushed carbon or maybe some ghosty skull flame things, I'm not sure, but we'll see when we get it back. I told them, do what you want, just make sure that it's the colour that I want, gunmetal grey with the dip. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting them back and on the car. Then I do have some upgrades planned. I'm getting a pedal box, new steering column, maybe a new rack, because the one I have in is a sports pack rack and you get absolutely all torn on the steering. And then I want to lower it a little bit and then get the tracking done and stuff, so then she'll drive straight. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Also for the Fiat, have an exhaust on the way. I have a new mid pipe on the way because it's blown. It's booked in for paint, so I am going to Florida in 4 weeks, and when I'm in Florida it's going to be painted red. So that's another update for the Fiat. So I've been driving this every day, no faults, all good, no overheating issues, no nothing issues. A few wheel wobbles because everything needs to be done. We do have a storm incoming, it's looking a bit dull, but the next time you see this car, I won't be doing any videos for the next few weeks. I'm super busy working and getting ready for this holiday, but the next time you see this car, it's not going to have any dents, it's not going to be 2 different colours, it's going to be red, it's going to have tints, and then we're going for half wrap livery. It's going to look awesome. Also, I bought a new car. This is going brand new, that's it, on the way for the family, 7-seater, just upgrading time, so it's well needed. The car's 6-year-old now. This is going, new car coming, big plans for this as well, engine wise, so make sure you're following on the channel to see what we're doing with this and the Seicento. So this is the next day. The wife came out to Dundalk with me because there's a big car show, and even in the spectator parking there's this. It's so nice, isn't it? So guys, that car show was yesterday. It was in Dundalk. Just a bit of fun, heading down, having a look at some good cars. Bit of a letdown because there was an F40 on the brochure of it, the leaflet, whatever it is. A few lads said that there was an F40 there last time, and that's the one car that I drove down to see because it's my no money, don't care in the world dream supercar. Just amazing. I've never seen one in person and I really wanted to see one, but yeah, it was a bit of a letdown, but I really did enjoy it. But on another note, post came. Change. Now these are just very tatty on the Mini, and I wanted to just get new ones for the new headlights I have ordered that still haven't come yet, but they will be here in a few weeks. And I got some new rubbers for the wiper motors because they're gone to shit. So yeah, hopefully these will work out great. So yeah, it's always good to end a video on a great note. Getting money back on a delivery you paid money for and you didn't realise you paid too much for. Fair play to you, Ray. Ray from Galway Mini Centre. Great service as usual. Next day, absolutely amazing. So that's the two new rings for the Mini and the rubbers, and then we have loads of other stuff sent over to Dipworks. I took the Mini front lip off and the spoiler. They're getting resprayed and the spoiler is getting dipped in something pretty awesome. So yeah, make sure you're watching for that, and I will see you in the next video. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs button, give the video a like, comment and subscribe, more importantly. Really do appreciate it. Peace out and be dedicated.